Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm France Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up in the United States, and today I'm going to share with you how to do a night sky for the cow jumping over the moon. That's over the moon stamp set. This is an old technique, but when you use a new stamp set, it looked like a new one, right? Well, in the greeting, I got over the moon for you. Well, I wanted something that I wanted to say, I'm over the moon, excited for you. So this here, I print that on the computer and I'm going to put that here. And I'm going to share with you how we're going to put that here. So you can add different greeting and just print them on your computer also. So this is shimmer paper here. And it measures 3 3/4 by 5. Let me bring a scrap paper here, and it's two ways you can do that. The way that I done it, I use a crayon. This is wax crayon, and you're just going to tap wherever you want your stars. When I'm just pulling where, if you get a big chunk, just pull that out. If you look sideways, you can see a bit where, and if it's not enough, we can come and add more. Okay, we're going to leave it like that. Now we're going to use Night of Navy. And the way that I'm going to sponge that, I want to keep a little bit lighter there so it's like the glow of the moon, okay? So I'm going to start with, it's all Night of Navy. So I'm going to start on the side there and go around. And go around. Okay, now I'm going to roll this a bit here. Now come down here. And I'm going to keep on adding some ink. Okay, so about this here, I'm going to keep that lighter. So now, and you're going to see, well, what happened to those dots? Wait, it's going to be magic here in a minute. So now I'm just going to pull that a bit there, but I really want dark all around. So I keep on adding, put good pressure on it, because really you want a big night sky, very dark, it's past midnight, so on. The moon is shining a bit, but not, it's not a full moon. Put it that way, it's a quarter moon. And then keep on, then I'm going to bring that in a bit, but keep it lighter. Here I need this to go around it a bit. So I'm going to bring more ink over here. And first it looked kind of weird, but when you put all your element, trust me, it's all good. So now I'm just going to push a bit, just a circle there. I see a big white spot there. We're going to go cover that. Right here it's a bit too white, so I'm just going to go. Here we go. That's about good. Now I'm going to just smooth that up here a bit. Here we go. Okay, this is kind of square. I don't want to finish square. I want like it go darker to softer. Okay, we're going to call this good. Now you're going to take your inky rag, and I got some blue on my hand there, and you're going to take your inky rag and you're going to go like this. Voila! So all where you put your dots, boom, it's there. You see all those little dots there. Now I use Rooted in Nature, and I'm going to use the Memento Black ink, and we're going to do a few trees at the bottom. I bet in the video you don't really see it, but in life you see. It's like, it give a perfect definition, or I don't know definition, but it finished the view, put it that way. So I'm going to put 3 trees over here, one taller over there, and even some I put 2 little one there, so it looked like it's, you get something in the background, right? It's not just the sky and so on. So now that it's done, you get a moon in this set, but this little moon, it's a bit small for the cow, the way that I want to do it. So I'm using the Twinkle Builder, and I'm using Daffodil Delight. Oh, let me pull my Daffodil Delight that I lost. Here it is. So I'm pulling Daffodil Delight, and I just need the moon. If you want to put some of those stars, I would put the star white. I think when you look, you know. So you can sponge a little bit more of this if you want. Have it, it's no right or wrong. Now I'm going to use glue dots for this. And add one over there. And add one over here. And I'm going to put it right here. And then I already stamped my cow, and I color it with blends. And that I'm going to raise her up like she's really jumping over the moon. I'm going to put the dimensional there, and going to put that, oh, this one here, it's a different cow there. Here we go. See, this one I put the cow with the 4 legs. This one, it's kind of laying down. So you know what, maybe I can put the moon a little bit more in the center. Let me see what I can do without damaging anything. You have to be careful when you pull. Here we go. Let me pull the moon about, oh, right here, because it's a different cow. Here we go. Voila. So now I got the moon. My moon could have been a little bit more. Here we go. So you want to play with it. Now this is, I didn't bring my other piece. I thought I had it out, but I guess I didn't. So this is mount on Daffodil Delight on Night of Navy. See? And then the next thing that I did, let me pull that out. Sorry about that. The next thing that I did, I add a few rhinestone here. If you don't have enough of the white, you can always take the crayon and add more. See? But it don't do the same, because sometimes it's going to rub off if with the ink on top. So you can do it that way. You can sponge everything and then add your crayon. But you can do it as the crayon resist, it's called. Now, how am I going to glue this here? The best thing that I could think it was to, I want to cut that in bits and pieces. So I'm going to cut over the moon, excited, and then for you. Then I'm going to take my glue here, and first it's better if you look at my hand. I'm going to put it like here. So I'm going to move that all over. And then that's nothing. I'm over the moon. And I'm going to put it all here and there. Excited. And then for you. Or you can put that inside too. So that's how I'm going to glue that there. So this is it on how to do your night sky. Hope you enjoyed this video. All the product will be listed on my blog. The direct link, it's right below. And anyone in the US can shop 24/7. Also, I'm going to have the measurement listed there. Thank you so much and have a lovely day, my friend. Bye-bye for now.